This topic is related to draw the fixture in knockout tournament. This topic is very important. When you will not listen and will not do practice through this video, you cannot draw in your life. So to draw the fixture, practice is very important. Before draw the fixture, I am going to discuss about what is fixture. Because any students do not know about the fixture. What is the fixture is a setup of various teams. Fixture is a setup of various teams for competitive matches where they play in a systematic order as per fixture schedule. In other words, fixture is a process of arranging the teams in systematic order in various groups. The success of tournament depends upon suitable fixture. Okay, what you have wrote or listen? Fixture is a setup of various teams for competitive matches where they play in a systematic order as per fixture schedule. In other words, we can tell it is a process of arranging the teams. This line is very important. Fixture is a process of arranging the teams in systematic order in various groups. The success of any tournament depends upon the suitable fixture. What is the process? The procedure of knockout tournament. Procedure of knockout fixture. In last video I have discussed what is the knockout tournament. A knockout tournament, a player continue to play further matches as per schedule till defeated. The team or any individual event, a player or a team gets eliminated when they lose the match or defeated. In such type of the tournament, only winner's team is allowed. In such type of the tournament, only winner team is allowed to play matches until one team emerges as winner. Any team or any player will continue any knockout tournament when he will not lose. You know, in knockout tournament, total number of the matches is equal to n minus 1. Means 1 subtract from the number of the participating teams. Methods to write the name of the teams. How you will be write the names of the teams? This is very important question, because you don't know about the method and you don't know about the first team and the last team advantage. When I will discuss, your thinking will automatically change. Everyone want to get the first place, but I will not disclose it, the advantage of the last team. First of all, lots, lottery. Are drawn, then write the name of teams vertically on a plain paper. Then write the name of team vertically on a plain paper. It should be in the order. Order is very important, and you will not write according to your wish. You will write according to your lots. Without lottery, you will not write the first team, second team, third team, etc. When you will be write the all teams name vertically, then all teams will divided into two halves. All teams will divided into two halves. Upper half and lower half. Upper half and lower half. If teams are in the even order, if teams are in the even order, easily you can divide it into two parts. If teams are in even order, we can easily divide it into two parts. Example, number of team is equal to 10. You can divide it n upon 2, means 5. When you will be divided it, you will be get the answer 5. Easily 5 plus 5. In upper half, how many teams will come? 5. Lower half, 5. But very tough to draw the picture of the 10 teams. The first of all, I will draw the first example I had given in the last video, 4. Number of teams is equal to number of teams is equal to 4. Number of matches is equal to n minus 1. n is equal to 4. Subtract 1 is equal to 3. Here you have got the answer. What is the answer? Total number of the matches will held 3. It is fixed. We cannot change it. How? I have discussed in the procedure. Through the lottery, lots we will write the name of the teams vertically. Example, 4 teams are participating. Teams is A, B, C, D. First lots owned by the B, then we will write the name of the B. Second lots owned by the C, we will write it the C. The third lots owned by the D, then we will write the D. And last one I left here A. The second important point, we will divide into in the two parts, two half, upper half and lower half. Easily we can organize the matches B to C and D to A. And we will write here the winner in a circle. Without circle you can write example B versus C here on the C, and D versus A match won by the A. In the first round, total number of the matches 2. The second round 1 match. Here that team will win the match be the winner of the tournament. You have got the answer 3. Here winner, only A or C can win the match. But in starting time I had wrote the A in the last. Here A is getting the advantage. A is the winner. Here one thing was very easy. The teams were in the even number. When you will get the teams in odd number. Example 3, 5. Next example is example is 10 teams. Total teams is equal to 10. Number of matches is equal to is equal to n minus 1. n is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here you have got the answer of the fixture. Total number of the matches you will organize 9. First of all, according to the rules, through the lots, we will write the all teams name vertically. But here I will not change the order. Directly I will write the 10 teams name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. What is the second step? We will divide all teams in 2 parts. Total number of the team is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Means the each half 5 teams will come. In the upper half 5 teams, lower half 5 teams. In the last picture you have seen easily I had draw the picture. Just I am going to draw here picture. The number of the matches is equal to total matches nine. A to 2, 3 to 4, 9 to 10, 7 to 8, 5 and 6 we can organize here matches. Total number of the matches is equal to, in the first round 5. I am going to second round. Only 2 matches will held. One match is remaining. We cannot draw here. Why? So please listen very carefully. In the condition of the 10 teams, we can organize the matches, we can draw the fixture, but a rule first of all, when we will get the all teams names, we will see all the participating teams are in power of 2 or not in the power of 2. Last fixture, I had draw the 4 teams fixture. 4 is in the power of 2. When you will not get the entries or the participating team in the knockout tournament not in the power of 2, we cannot easily draw the fixture. So the team should be in power of 2 or when participating teams are not in the power of 2. We will give the bye. What we will give bye? It is a problem in yourself. What is the bye? Please listen it. Bye is a sort of privilege to a team when participating teams, please pay attention, when participating teams in bracket entries, for your knowledge, bracket close, entries is not in power of 2. What you have wrote? Bye is a sort of privilege to a team when participating teams are integers not in the power of 2. The some teams will get the bye. Some teams will get the bye according to fixed rule. A advantage of the bye, that team, please see here, that team will get the bye. That team will get the bye, will not play the first round match. Directly will play in second round. What is the formula? You have wrote in the definition of the bye according to the fixed rule. Rule is fixed here to give the bye. Calculating the bye. Calculation of bye. always you will write by first alphabet in the capital letter, BYE, not BY. Okay, by is equal to next 2 power x of entry minus n. What you have wrote? Next power of 2 of entries. In the last picture, I had given you total number of the teams were 10. I am going to draw here the 10 teams picture. But how you will be get here the next power of 2 of the entry? Entry is equal to 10. Number of entries is equal to 10. 10 is power of 2. Anyone? 10 is in the power of 2. No. Next power of 2 of the entries. After entries is equal to n. It is fixed. Which power of 2 will come after the 10? It is very important. So by is equal to next power of 2 after 10 will come the 16. When you will be multiply, you will get it. Power of 2 means multiplication of 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 16 2 is 32. 32 is 64. Means first of all we will see here the number of the participating teams. So next of the power of 2 after 10 is 16. So number of the by is equal to number of by is equal to 6. You have wrote those team will get the bye will not play the first round matches. But a method to give the bye, method of fixing bye, methods of fixing byes. Rule tells the after the lots is very important. After lots you will write the all team names vertically. You will be divided them in 2 parts. Then you will allot the bye according to fixed rule. Rule tells first bye is given to the last team of lower half. This is a rule. We cannot change it. Mean that team will get the first bye, and we will give always first bye in the last team of the lower half, and that team will not play the first round match. The second bye is given to first bye is given to first team of upper half. First team of upper half. Okay, any doubt? Right, listen. Third bye is given to first team of lower half. And fourth bye given to the last team of upper half. What you have wrote here? To method to provide the bye. Note, when more than four teams are getting the bye, we will follow the same rule five onwards. Okay, please listen one time more. Which team will get the first bye? First time of the last team of the lower half. This is the advantage of the last team. Everywhere we want to get the first place, but here that team will getting the last team is getting the advantage. The second bye goes to the first team of the upper half. Third bye goes to the first team of the lower half, and fourth bye is going to the last team of the upper half. Again, I am going to draw the fixture of the 10 teams. Number of the teams is equal to 10. Number of matches is equal to n minus 1 is equal to 9. Numbers of byes is equal to next power of 2 minus entries. Next power of 2 is equal to 16. Entries is equal to 10. Number of y is equal to 6. Easily you can draw the picture of the 10 teams. What is the first rule? First of all, on the basis of the lottery, we will write the all teams name vertically. Then we will divide it in the two halves, upper half and lower half. What is the rules to provide the bye? First bye goes to the last team of the lower half. Second bye goes to the first team of upper half. Third bye goes to the first team of the lower half. And fourth bye goes to the last team of the lower half. Fourth bye goes to the last team of upper half. When byes are more than 4, we will follow the same pattern. Here how many byes? By is equal to 6. So fifth bye goes to the last team of the second last team of the lower half. Then sixth bye goes to the second team of the upper half. Right here by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6. I am not telling, you are telling, or your rules are telling. Those team will get the bye, will not play the first round match. Only those team will not get the bye, will play the matches. Here how many number of the matches? Is equal to 2. In first round, only 2 matches will held. Second round, all teams will play here. Those teams have got the bye and those teams have played the matches. But first of all, we will see here third and fourth team are left in the upper half, 7th and 8th are left in the lower half. So only one team will own in both half. Okay, so next round, one will play to second. Here one team will come, example 3. Example 3 means 3 will play to fourth. Here 7 and 8 have won the match. So third will play to 8th and 7th will play and 5 will play to 1 in the second round. Total number of the matches is equal to 4. Then fourth round only 4 teams have come out. So next round only 2 teams will the match. Third round 2 and last round 1 is here. Winner. Fourth round 1. When you will sum of the total 4, 2 of 4, 6 to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. In previous pages you have wrote here number of the matches is equal to. 9. Number of the y is equal to 6. So we will see here. First, number of the y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means it is correct. Number of the match is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of the total matches is equal to 9. Means your fixture has completed. When you will see my video, take the paper and pen and draw it. Do practice the any other numbers. Okay, that's all. Thank you.